Would you like to do? Okay. Children, can you see this and tell me what is written here? Yes, this is H. But its sound is H. Can you repeat with me? Okay. H. Can you repeat it once again? H. Can you repeat it one more time? H. Now we will see some pictures. We start with sound H. Would you like to see? Okay. Children, can you see this picture and tell me what is this? Very good. This is horse. Please repeat it with me. Horse. Can you repeat it one more time? Horse. Repeat it once again. Horse. Children, can you see this picture and tell me what is this? Yes, this is hut. Hut. Say it with me. Hut. Repeat it one more time. Hut. Children, can you see this picture and tell me what is this? Yes, hat. Hat. Repeat it once again. Hat. Repeat it one more time. Hat. Children, can you see this picture and tell me what is this? Yes, you don't know? Okay, I'll tell you. This is honey. आप शहद खाते हैं ना, शहद? Okay, this is शहद, honey. Now children, can you see this picture and tell me what is this? Yes, this is hanky, and we call it handkerchief. Now repeat it one more time. Handkerchief. Repeat it once again. Handkerchief. So children, today we have learned two more new sounds.
And they are
Goat and horse. Can we do it one more time? Okay. Goat. Girl. Grapes. Grass. Gun. Horse. Hut. Hat. Honey. Handkerchief. So please children, practice at your home with your parents. Bye.